Well, it's been a minute, and some of you might be wondering where we've been and why we haven't been posting any videos. Have we quit YouTube? Have we run away to a tropical island to get away from it all? Well, no. We've been busy doing lots of projects, and I promise I'll get those videos published. And we've been doing lots of traveling, which you can see on our travel channel, J&J Travels. But what's been keeping me busy lately is this. That's right, I got myself a 3D printer. The Bambu Labs A1 Mini, arguably the best beginner 3D printer out there. And because it was on sale for $199, I just couldn't resist. So I unpacked it, set it up, and ever since then, I've been learning how to 3D print and printing up a storm of plastic stuff, from decorations and art pieces to utilitarian household pieces and even toys. I've been learning how to model in Windows 3D Modeler and figuring out my way around all of the settings in the Bambu Labs program. So be sure to join me in 2025 for all the exciting things we can create with this 3D printer.